Okay, so Nanay story part 2. Okay, so Nanay is also multilingual. She knows how to speak basic Mandarin and she knew how to speak Spanish. So yan, matitest natin ang galing nila. Ang galing niya. Ang lola ko marunong mag-Chinese yan. So sige
En
na.
Spanish, ang guwapo. Ay, kay guwapo to. Kay guwapo to.
Si,
Ah,
mi nombre es Shirley.
porque esta, el abajo, tiene el, muchos personas.
Ajá.
Ay, abajo.
¿Dónde está el casa?
El casa.
Mi casa, tu casa. My house, your house.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bonita. Bonita.
Wow.
Hermosa.
My apo
Hermosa.
es bonita.
Gracias. Sí.
Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias.
De nada. De nada. Okay, tapos na. Kaya mo lang ang kaya ko. Nagna-nosebleed na ako. Ano naman? Iba naman. Chinese naman. Ni hao ma.
Money. Ito. Kung di wanna, Yasuya.
Ano ko, no?
Yasuya.
Gusto ko din ng chop suey, ah.
Ah.
And then count. Paano magbilang in Chinese?
Sit nang sa si gulak si wait kau sa.
Wow!
Yeah.
Shishi! And you know what? So guys, I am teaching Chinese kids. So most of my students are from China and they are Chinese. And you know what? Chinese kids are very good. They're very kind. And they are very competitive as well. And tawag dito. So my teacher's name is Teacher Cheryl, but I have a Chinese name. My Chinese name is I. And you know what that means? So I means love. So I am Teacher I in China. So Teacher I in China means teacher love. Okay. Ano pa? Ano pa aram mo? What else? Nano pa? So, maaram ka mag-Spanish, maaram ka mag-Chinese, nano pa, aram mo? Nano pa? Maaram ka mag-French.
English. Poco na mas. In English.
Nano?
Poco na mas.
Diri yun English. Bully buko siya avec moi, c'est chaud. Ha? Bully buko siya avec moi, c'est chaud.
Other country,
Yeah. Nano pa?
I cannot speak and
Yeah.
Korean.
Korean! Sarang iyo!
Oh.
Sarang iyo! Ano pa? That means I love you. Ano pa? Japanese. Japanese. Ano pa? Arigato! Arigato!
Arigato.
Arigato!
Oh.
Ano pa?
Oh.
Oh.
Because sometimes when I ask young girls, I have a book, English, Tagalog,
Yeah.
English, Tagalog only. I can read English, Tagalog, and Chinese.
Mm-hmm.
But now, I'm old. Woman,
Mm.
I cannot.
Wow! Can you hear that? Did you finish elementary? Did you graduate? She graduated in elementary. So she graduated in elementary up to grade 6. She's very intelligent.
Very only.
My grandmother is very intelligent. Her last name is Valera. Very Spanish. Valera. O, diba? Lakas makasosyal, lakas makadonya. Alam mo yan. O, pak. Yan. Tapos, nano pa, nara mo? Oh.
Ayan lang, Tagalog.
Yes.
Tagalog only and English.
Okay. English only. Okay. Mhm. Yeah. Mhm. Mm. Okay. Eh, di ba nakita niyo naman, my grandmother is always active. Wala siyang kasama-sama sa kanyang katawan. She's a very positive person. Napaka-positibo niya palagi sa buhay. And siya yung taong walang kaaway. You know, she's everyone's friend. Alam mo na, she's, everyone loves her.
I'm friendly.
She's friendly.
I would like to many people friends.
Baka rin kanino?
I
Ay, ma'am. Yeah. Tapos,
I'm kind to the people.
you're kind to the people. Okay.
Yeah.
You're kind. What else? Mm. Mm. Okay. Yes, that's how my grandmother, she's everyone's friend. At alam mo ba, pag sinabi nito, mag-ingat ka kasi ito yung taong masyadong malalim ang pananampalataya sa Diyos. Pag sinabi niya, makinig ka. Kasi ako talaga nakikinig. Kasi kung hindi, nako. Tapos, alam mo ba, chinika na si nanay daw aswang, tsaka witch. No, my grandmother is not witch. She is an angel. She's my angel. She is my life.
No. Yes. I'm very kind to the people. I'm not so bad.
She's not bad.
I would like to
Yeah.
have a many friends.
You like, she likes to have many friends.
Yeah.
Yes. Mm. What else? What is your birthday wish this coming August?
I wish my life
Mm-hmm.
a so long time
Mm.
because I would like to carry my apo.
She likes to carry me. I'm not a baby anymore, but you know, she loves me very much. I'm her favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because my apo is
Ayun, napag-ibig.
I love my apo.
Oh, ay napag-ibig.
Until I die, I cannot forever.
Oh. Ay napag-ibig.
Yeah.
Ay napagungoy-ngoy ko kay.
I'm very
ipopost ko yun sa
happy.
ipopost ko yun sa Facebook.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
I'm very happy.
Oh.
Even I'm very poor.
You're not poor. We don't have a lot of money, but we are rich in spirit. We are rich in blessing. She's rich because she knew how to appreciate life. Yes.
Okay.
She's green. She has green thumb. You know, she can plant anything and it will grow. Everything that she touches prosper.
I called the God. I say, help me, God.
Oh, God will provide. Yes, she always prays. She always pray. She always pray
I
any time of
always
the day.
pray for you.
Yes.
God
Yeah.
is love me, and I love you, God.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, ayun na so.
Until and I cannot forget you, my God.
Amen. He will not forget you too. And if you put God in your heart, if you seek God first in the morning, and everything will be added unto you. This is my testimony of God's salvation to our family, and my grandmother is a living witness of how good God is. As you can see, she is a living testimony that she is living a life filled with blessing. You know, she's not worrying about money at all. You know, there are times that she doesn't have money in her wallet, but she is always hopeful. She's always positive that God will provide. That God will provide. God will supply. And you know, He will bless us exceedingly and abundantly according to His riches. So, yun, malit pa lang ako, tinuturuan na niya ako kung paano maging faithful, to have faith, you know. Nung bata pa ako, I don't understand what faith means, you know, because my grandmother is she's deeply connected to life. She's deeply connected to nature. She's deeply connected to God. Hindi siya yung taong palasimba kada linggo, but marunong siyang magbigay ng respeto sa ibang tao, magmahal. So, that's the kind of woman she is. She has a golden hand and a golden heart. So she has pure intention to all people. Wala siyang masamang intention sa, you know, kahit kanino man. Anyway, I am going to tell you about the things that she advised me growing up. So, watch out. And by the way, tawag dito, isa pa sa mga pangarap ko sa kanya na magkaroon kami ng one of the things that I dream for her is for us to have a perfume brand, and then the flower is peony. Yun sana yung pangarap ko nung nasa US ako, that we'll have a perfume brand. Yung hindi naman yung mga mamahalin or something, but that was my promise for her before, na yung peony flower. Paano namin sana magagawa ng perfume yung peony, because she reminded me of the peony flower. So anyway, that's about it. Let's have another video. Part 3. Watch out. Wait.